Hi viewers, Samanath Small Step Strategy channel. Today's tidbit: design a trading system that will trade less often. So whatever you follow indicator or price action, or in terms of to reduce the number of trades, so make higher time frame. So like that. So whatever whichever you feel comfortable, keep your trading system that gives a number of less trade. So that will always leads to avoid the losses. So before going to the video, disclaimer: I am not a SEBI registered advisor. So whatever I am speaking here are my views for learning purpose. Always you do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. That will lead you a good trader and investor for the long run. I will go to the video. So today Nifty closed to 95 point positively. So this has come the last 1.5 hours we can say. So till then the market didn't give a hope to us. So it was very much in the sideways and looks like losing the complete momentum. Maybe the next downtrend will come. So such kind of feel it has given till 2 o'clock. Then after that the momentum mounted up and given the hope. So at the end, if you see 19,889 is the closing. Now we will see the market statistics. Before that, here I given the gainers, top gainer and loser. You pause the video and have a look on this. Now we will see the statistics. So today 2612 stocks traded. In that 1317 stock ended positively, 1195 stocks ended negatively, and 100 stocks change prices unchanged. 132 stocks touched the upper circuit limit, and 58 stocks touched the lower circuit limit. 165 stock touched the 52-week high, and 12 stock touched the 52-week low. So this is a good optimism, you can say that. Even last session also this was keep reducing. Now it is started rising. So this is this will a good optimism to the long run. Now we will see the who is the best contributor, the top 2 contributor and top negative contributor. We will see that. So if you see today, the top contributor in the positive side is Adani Enterprises 15.42 points and Tata Motors 9.76 point positive contribution. In the negative side, ITC 3.84 points and Hindustan Unilever minus 2.58 points negative contribution. FID data. So as usual, we used to record as early as possible after the market hours. So we didn't receive the today's data. So I given the previous day's data for the reference. So if you see the so far FIA 5,101 crores net selling and DIA 9,814 crores net buying. So very good difference, we can say that reflected in the last this month entire upside move. And this is the month wise data for your reference. I will go to the chart. If you see the chart, the Nifty previous close was 19,784. So around 50 point gap up, then it couldn't able to sustain there. It has came to previous close, then entirely in the sideways. So if you see this portion, if you see here 800 and you can say 840. So 40 point it moved for the long time. So after 2 o'clock, after you can say 2:15, the momentum has gained. So very good momentum. From here, if you see around 100 point it has gained. So this given the hope Nifty still have the vibrancy to go in the higher side. Similarly, if you see the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty almost we can say this is the flat opening. From there it was keep trying to the upper side movement, and this given a very big momentum, we can say, but Nifty couldn't be able to cooperate with Bank Nifty. So again it lost and again in the track. But in the downside, I mean while Nifty got pick up at around 2 o'clock, it again not that much Nifty, but little bit. But if you see the overall, the trend is in the decently in the upper side only. But though this number is very small for Bank Nifty concern, but the positive side is it is closing positively. So that is the thing we can say. We will see the day chart for the trend. So Nifty again closed to more than 900. So I said this level, this is the psychological resistance. I said 19,875. So I said crossing this would be quite difficult. If it crossed in the during the intraday, the closure would be won't above that, it will be close in the downside. So twice it happened that again today, but it penetrated and closed above that now. This psychological resistance. So this is the positive thing. So the next we can expect 20,000, because the next another 2 days only for Nifty. So we can max expect 20,000 it will touch. So maybe the next contact it will may go in the higher side. So the next the strong resistance would be the all-time high. So the support side, if you see, the 19,600 would be the still the strong support. The next support is 19,200. So this is Nifty and Bank Nifty. The next resistance would be this 44,400 would be the next resistance. The support 43,000. So if that breaks, we can expect a very good move till 46,000 also. So we cannot judge the market entirely based on the large cap. We have to consider mid and small cap and micro cap. So with that respect, if you see that mid and small 400 index closed to 48 point positively, and Nifty micro cap closed to 33 point positively. And if is the Nifty mid and small 400 index is again trying to record the again all-time high. So if you see the overall and this portion, if you see that the momentum still in the upper side, but here you can see just losing the momentum, but it not giving any negative signal until mid and this index and the micro cap index give the negative signal. We can expect the Nifty will keep move in the higher side. So this is the important thing. And if you see the micro cap index, so that also in the very good in the upper side, just a bit it losing the momentum, but the direction is still in the upper side, so there is no negative indication. So these two indexes is important, and this two still says that Nifty will go in the higher side. So this is all about our market. We will see the US market. So last session Dow Jones closed to minus 56 points, and S&P 500 8.91 point negatively. So this numbers is very much negligible, we can say. It's nothing to worry about this negative closure. And if you see today while recording this video, the US market opened, and it's marginally in the negatively it is traded. So almost we can say very much close to the flat, near to flat, we can say that. If you see the Dow chart, so still the direction in the upper side, there is no downturn signal. But if you see the RSI, the angle from here it has got reduced. Though price making higher and high, the angle of momentum is got reduced. So this may looks that the next it will have some pullback. I won't say it is a downtrend, but we can expect a pullback. And S&P 500 the price is also reflecting the same thing. So if we see a pullback here, that will be quite difficult for a Nifty to go again all-time high. It may turn from 20,000. We can expect a pullback in Nifty as well. So let me see how it the next subsequent session shows us. So with this we close this video. I hope the video will be very useful and informative. If you need any further information, mention in comment box. We will try to address that. See you next video. Until bye bye. Thank you.